Hello from Tash Tires. I've got a Suzuki Swift here on a 2007-2008 plate. Just going to show you what I'm replacing on this one. Basically this one here, the number plate light is not working, as well as the tail light. As you can see, that one's working on the passenger side, but the driver's side isn't working, so I'm going to have a video for that as well. And as well as the number plate light, as you can see, both of them right there are not working. So one's here and one's here on this side. Now I must say, you know what, Swift, this Suzuki Swift made it so easy on this one, and it is one of the best ones. So where you got the lens right there on the, it's quite an awkward one to see, but like if you see this little lug here on this side, that's the holding point. So if you hold it and twist it from either end, twist it to your left and then pull the cover out. That's the cover out. As you can see, the cover itself, so you've got a lug on this side, lug on that side, and on here you can see the gap in the holder on the top as well. So you make sure when you do put it on like this, so you can twist it to your right. It'd be nice and easy. Now to do the bulb, to take it out, it's easy again. Just pull the whole thing out. Now I know I haven't switched the light off, we don't have time for that one yet, but I'll show you which bulb it is. It's a 501 bulb right here. Right, now you can see the number proper. It's a capless bulb. And I'm just gonna put it on now. So it's a capless bulb right there in front of me. That's the bulb. And I'm going to try to slot it in. There's only one way the bulb would slot in. I just dropped it. Not really, I got it. So it is quite a tricky one here. Where I'm working on the ramp, so it is a lot easier for me. But if you are working on the roadside, this is going to be slightly awkward. Well, you might have to lie down onto the floor and then do it that way. So like I said, with the cap, as you can see, this bit here and that top bit there, they said there's only one way they would go. So if you slot it in, once you get it in there, you slot it in right there, and then you twist it to your right. Wait, I got it. Alright, so that's not the right way then. So it's gonna have to be the other way. That's it, it's sitting in perfect, and that's in. So I'm going to do the same thing on this one as well. As you can see, so if I show you, twist that to my left and then pull the whole thing out. I then get the bulb. I might have to use 2 fingers. I'll just use the one. Yeah, I just use the one finger. Get the new one and slot the bulb. The bulb needs to go in sort of like this angle, straight in. That's in, that's clipped in as well. I then get the cover, put the cover on. As you can see right there, it's set in properly. And then twist that to my right. That's it. I'm going to switch the lights on, making sure they're working. Right, as you can see now, they're both working. So that's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do leave us a message, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and thank you. Goodbye.